Hello, we went to Toronto to we got carnations.
And how many carnations did we get?
We get 100.
200.
200.
We got 200 carnations. And what colors did we get?
We got red, white, green,
and
burgundy.
One more. Yeah, and we got burgundy. So we got 200 carnations, and we're hoping to do what with those?
Sell them.
And what are we going to do? We're going to sell them for how much? $2 a carnation. And then what are we going to use the money for?
Toys.
We're going to buy toys for the toy drive, right?
Yes.
Or somebody can bring in a toy, and we will give them a free carnation. And we're going to add those to what?
We're going to add those to the toy drive.
In the box, right?
In the box, yeah.
So we have that big box at home, and we're going to add the toys into that big box, right?
Yes.
And we're going to fill that entire box.
Yes, we are.
We're going to fill the entire box?
Yeah, we're going to need lots of boxes.
Yeah? We're going to try to get lots of toys, aren't we?
Yes.
So when are we selling carnations? We started today, right? So today's Thursday?
Thursday until
Saturday.
Saturday.
And you're going to be there to sell carnations on Saturday, right?
Yes.
So you, your sister, and brother will be selling the carnations on Saturday.
Uh-huh.
All right. So we have all that.
And our names are Rowan, Quinn, Riley.
Yeah.
I'm Riley.
That's Riley. All right, guys. So we went and got more carnations today so that you can come to Exquisite Floral on 29 Brock Street in Tillsonburg and buy a carnation for $2. And that money is going towards the toy drive because they're going to buy toys for the big box that Riley has acquired and wants to fill. So we hope to see you out at Exquisite Floral.